Hi, I'm Angie, and today I'm sharing my Sparkly Blue Pandora bracelet. While the charms on my other bracelets were chosen because they had meaning to me, this one was put together purely for its beauty. I got the bracelet set for Christmas, and it was the signature clear CZ clasp bracelet, and it came with the 2 clips. The reason I really wanted this was because it came with a travel jewelry box, and I will probably share that in another video coming up, but that's why I really wanted this set. So let's open it up and I'll show you each charm a little bit closer. So as I said, this is the signature clasp in clear CZ. It's like a big barrel covered in CZs, so very sparkly and pretty. The safety chain is the Pave Inspiration with clear CZs, and it's really spectacular. This one is called Nature's Radiance. Here we have Shimmering Droplets in London Blue Crystal. And when you see this close up, it's really quite spectacular and very beautifully made. A lot of work goes into making these. This is the Orbit charm in Midnight Blue enamel and clear CZs around the middle. The enamel is so stunning in this charm, very sparkly and pretty. Here I have a little Starshine Spacer that was just perfect for the theme of this bracelet. This is Ice Crystal, which is a nice meaty thick charm and absolutely gorgeous. When you get it twinkling under the lights, it just looks like diamonds. These are the Shining Path clips. Very stunningly beautiful, simple, but really, really lovely. Here's the Galaxy charm in Royal Blue Crystal and clear CZs. Here's an Inspiration within Spacer, and that's in Blue Crystal. The centerpiece of this bracelet is the Dazzling Snowflake charm, which has the Twilight Blue Crystal and clear CZs. This actually came with the bracelet set. Beautiful CZs on the side that flow into this snowflake section. And much like the Radiant Hearts, there is a sort of snowflake deep inside the center of the blue crystal. And in certain light you can just see it reflecting. Then we have another Inspiration within Spacer. And another Galaxy. Another Shining Path clip. Then I chose a Patterns of Frost charm. The little hearts on the side. And that has multicolored crystals and clear CZs. So that balances out the ice crystal on this side. Then I have another Starshine Spacer. And this one's called Adornment. And it's transparent royal blue enamel. Then we have another Shimmering Droplets charm, but this time it's in clear CZs. And my last charm is the retired Snowflake, which has aqua crystals inside. So that is my sparkly blue bracelet, curated simply for its beautiful, beautiful look. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my glittery, sparkly blue Pandora bracelet.